you're gonna be wrong sometimes. Like that price action does look like it would have gone straight there, but you could tell like it was maybe a little soon. So 135 was like taken really clearly with this wick. And this second push up here that closed below it would have said that level was respected. That level being respected, that really just gives way for the lower level to be repeated again. And if right here price wasn't going to take liquidity, it wasn't going to go back down to this level and sweep it again, and it came back up here all the way to take these long orders, well, now this liquidity is just all the sweeter. I just want to say, like, look how perfectly that touched my level. And that's more or less the center point of this range. Okay, look. So I mean, it's really as simple as that. You can tell there's a certain point where everyone's going long, right? So the major liquidity holders in these markets, it would not be advantageous to also go long while everyone's going long. The market would just reach a sort of stalemate. That's what this is. But this is a sell-off. This is a sell-off because while everyone's going long, this is a great place to sell off shares, especially if you bought in down here, right? So while everybody's going long and they're selling off shares, that's the best possible price to take that liquidity. And now everyone who's long right here has placed stop losses below these significant levels, such as here. So one foul swoop, this is just how the market makers are playing out this cycle over and over. And those that can see it playing out and act against the group herd psychology are the ones that profit off of these moves. So now, I mean, looking at the higher time frame, this could be bearish. At least down to maybe the 618. I'm not disregarding this level either. 33, 32.50 more or less. But we hold off in here. This continues bullish. 133 becomes resistance, meaning price breaks below it, and then now this is the high side ceiling. Then we're going to see this continue bearish. I don't know. Looks bullish to me over the long term. But we're just going to have to see, because I mean these levels and how price responds to these levels, that's going to tell where where the volume is going to be headed for the rest of this year. So with that, like I said, looking at this potentially dumping into these lower levels, the 618, if not 130, 250. We're going to see from there that there's some thunder outside. It's pretty epic. And I will close off here.